What I love about this mocha syrup is once you make it this way, you'll never buy the bottled stuff again. 3 ingredients, about 10 minutes, and it tastes like something out of a coffee shop. Actually, even better. Most chocolate syrups just use cocoa and water, and they come out kind of thin, and they run straight off whatever you pour them on. This one's built on cream and real chocolate, and it's so much closer to a ganache, and that's what makes the sauce cling. Cream into the pan, and you're gonna heat it gently until it's at a gentle simmer. You'll see these bubbles, and when you do, turn the heat down and add the chocolate and just start mixing right away. And you'll see eventually the chocolate completely transforming the cream and giving it that chocolatey sauce color once everything has blended. So make sure you work out any potential lumps in the corners especially. Then the coffee goes in. Now you can use a coffee concentrate, but you can also easily just do decaf, espresso powder, regular espresso powder, add that in, taste it, and really just adjust as per your own liking. The exact measurements of what I like is written and broken down on the full recipe down below, so you can easily scale the recipe as you need. That right there is why you won't need another mocha syrup recipe or ice cream on coffee, on pancakes, oats, or just straight off the spoon. No judgment here. It'll be good for about a week in the fridge or about 3 months in the freezer, where it essentially turns into a chocolate fudge. If you do choose to store it in a convenient squeeze bottle, then before you use it, just warm it up in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and then you're ready to pour.